Hello guys, and welcome to the channel called Scrabyte. So I record this video at the night, so I will talk not that loud, yeah. So today we will talk about monetization and what is it. And firstly, I want to tell you about the analytics of your channel. So yeah, here you can put the advanced mode, and yeah, you can like watch every single analytic from your video. Yeah, like views, watch time, hours. It's also important thing. Yeah, also for monetization. Filterable traffic sources, yeah, traffic source, for example, geography, Russia, Ukraine, United States, and yeah, age also. So my audience like 18, 20, or 24. Gender, for example, female and male, yeah. Also dates, subscription status, and yeah, a lot of device type. It's really interesting. Computer, mobile phone, tablet, TV. Oh, three views from TV. It's today, no? I know it's for of April. Okay. Okay, what about monetization? For get monetization, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of hours viewed on your video. Yeah, and then you can get monetization and video advertising and memberships and supers, all thing. Yeah. So how you can earn from your video? So if when you create some video, when you upload something, you can like choose monetization bar and then choose the types of ads which can be used in your video and according to your country and according to your content. So yeah, you can like firstly remind yourself that which content I can create if I want to earn money on YouTube. So yeah, like remind yourself and then think. For example, I want to create video about Minecraft. So yeah, it's a lot of you can earn a lot of money in that videos. For example, if you will create about something unusual, yeah, you can get a lot of money. But if you do something usual, yeah, nothing special, yeah, you know. So I think I already told about that I know, yeah. And thank you guys for watching. And I think I will go sleep. Bye bye.